El Toro is able to serve any creative size for which there is available inventory on the web. However, El Toro generally recommends clients to make use of the most common sizes: 300 by 250, 728 by 90, 160 by 600, 320 by 50, and 300 by 600. The majority of ads are split between the 300 by 250 and 728 by 90 sizes alone. If order lines utilize these two sizes, impression goals are far more likely to be achieved. The El Toro portal utilizes an upload or drag and drop approach for creative association. The easiest way to associate creative assets are through specific order lines within your organization. Click Order Lines in the left-hand navigation menu. Select the applicable order line. Click the Creative tab in the Order Line wizard close to the top of the page. Select the Upload New File option, where users may select the applicable files from an upload window or drag them into the dialog box. Creative assets can also get uploaded to your organization's library from the left-hand navigation menu. Click Creatives in the left-hand navigation menu. Select the Upload New File option, where users may select the applicable files from an upload window or drag them into the dialog box. We recommend reaching out to our support desk for any problems or questions that come up in this process. We're El Toro, the only one-to-one 100% cookie-free IP targeting solution, and thanks for watching.